Yeah, the main challenge was to show the customer actual like the final product because everything was like in your mind, in your imagination, but most of the time customers would like to see the final result. I use the visualizer, Renoworks visualizer, for a couple of years now. This is really convenient when you work with exterior and when you do different setups and different design options. Well, yes, it impacted quite a bit. So I would say at least 50% increased my sales because customers actually was able to see the final result of their product. Yeah, actually, I have one project. I think it was in Burnaby when it was sold, pretty much because of the Renoworks. So customer was able to see clear combination between two different options, so and they choose us. Well, ChatGPT sometimes gives you like really high end and not really realistic options. With Visualizer, it actually you control the process. So you actually choose the product on each side. You choose the color. You choose the product. GPT just gives you like general idea. It's not really realistic, but we work with real customers and real product in our hands. So you need to be able to explain customers what final product they will get.